Hey, yo, this is Els coming to you from Beema's Crafty Corner. And what am I doing here today? Oh, yeah, I remember. I'm going to preview some of the stuff that I have coming up in the auction on Friday. Just so you guys have an idea what I'm offering up this time. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of lace and trims, and I'm blowing some stuff out. So those of you that didn't get, can get this time. Okay, so the blue and purple lace, I'm blowing it out. Some of the vintage lace, blowing it out. I got some new vintage lace. I'm going to be selling all that I have of it because I've only got a little bit of it. So I'm going to sell all of that. Let's see. Oh, those hand crocheted hearts that I picked up a couple weeks back. They're going to be in the auction this time. I'm selling them for a set price. Now, I'm not big on auctions, so more selling, less auction. So we're going to have sale first and then auction last. Okay? So let me show you some of the items that I'm going to have in the sale. All right, first thing, I decided that I was going to put this mulberry paper, the black ink decorative papers. This is called mulberry paper, and there's 5 pieces of the smaller piece and then 5 of the large. They're the exact same ones as they have down here in the little ones. So I'm going to be auctioning this, selling this one outright. I only have one, so first come, first serve. That's the first item we're having in. Next, I decided I was going to put this little booger in there. Now, this little booger is a Prang color wheel. It's from 1998. And basically, you turn this little top piece up here, and it tells you all the different colors. And on the back, it explains how to mix it. Okay? So, that's going in the auction. In the sale. I keep saying auction, but it's a sale. All right, then the next item I have is this one right here, and I picked this up a couple weeks back. There's 36. These are soft pastels. These are for use on paper, board, or canvas, easily blendable and smooth color laydowns. They are very vivid colors. Now, when I first got this, I thought there was something missing because there was a lot of space in the box, but there's nothing missing. There's 36 brand new soft pastels in there. This is Pinelli Quality Artist Supplies. This is going to be in the sale. What else? Yes, right here. I'm going to be putting these into the sale. I have quite a few little sayings. This one happens to be celebrate, but there's some other ones. Some of them are a little longer, you know, because maybe the word is fabulous or something like that. But these are going to be in my sale and pretty inexpensive. So these are going to be in the sale for you guys. And then the other thing I'm going to do is this right here. Let me open this up here. And what these are is exactly what you saw on my cover. They're yo-yos, okay? And I did a couple of different sizes here. This one is about 2 1/4 inches, 2 1/2 inches across. And they go down as small as this little one right here, which is just about 1 inch, okay? So there's going to be a dozen in each package, and you're going to be pretty inexpensive, a couple of bucks, you know, $2, $3, something like that. So I'm going to have some yo-yos, and they're all pretty much like this mixed bag. What else? Okay, so I'm going to put these in the sale, and what these are little mister bottles, and I picked these up at the supply place that I buy from, and they work pretty good. I've actually got one. Got one right here, and I just put some water in it, and it sprays a really fine mist. So very good. And this is also going to be in the sale. And then I put in a set of scoring tools. I'm going to have some sets of these in there as well. Very inexpensive. You know, $2, $3. Those are going to be selling for. And then I have these, which are from the National Audubon Society. And this one is actually damaged. It's got some damage to it. And so anything that was damaged, this is going to be an auction item. So anything that was damaged, I went ahead and started the auction at a lower price. This one, because it has some water damage, some of the stickers are still okay. From like here down, they're okay. But these ones at the top kind of stuck together. I don't know that you could get them apart. Somebody probably could. And the pages have a little bit of water damage in them. But, and this is the most damaged of all of them. But I think I have like 7 or 8 of these, and they're all going to be in the auction. Excuse me. And then I have this. This is going to be item number 102 in the auction. And that's overall in the sale. This is an official Journal of Notary Acts. There are some pages missing here in the front. I did think about taking this book apart and selling it by the signature, but decided, no, I'm just going to sell the whole book as is. I may still change my mind. I'm not totally sure. But as of right now, it's going to be one price for the whole book. Okay? So that's going to be an auctionable item. And then I have another item coming in that's going to be, it's going to be a sale item. I will tell you that it's probably one of the priciest items I've ever put into an auction or sale. Let me get these things out of the way. And I'm going to tell you why. Because I've never done a kit before, but I'm going to do a kit this time. So, what is the kit going to be? The kit is going to be Harry Potter themed. So, let's take a look what's going to be in the kit, what you're going to get for the money that I'm asking. Now, I haven't completely decided on a price yet, so it's still a little iffy. So, the first thing you're going to get is this pack right here. In here is 6 pages of the Marauders map. It is tea-dyed, and you do have to assemble it, but I do have a video. I will put up a video showing you how to do this. And then on the other side of that package is this piece right here, and let me get one that's clean so you can see it. And this is basically ephemera pieces for that are Harry Potter themed. You've got the owls and the broom and the wands and that sorting hat and all of those types of things, and some potion bottles and spell books and things. And this is a sticker sheet, okay? So, I have a little one here. So this is a sticker sheet. So you can cut these out and put these into your journals any way you want. So that is, that's the first part. So I'll go ahead and leave these down here so you can see them as we go through this. So that's the first part you're going to get, okay? These 2 pieces, this sheet and the 6 pages that come there. Then the next part that you're going to get is going to be this part here. And this part here is 8 pages. These are postcard size. Let's see, how big are these things? I measured them. I think I measured them. They're 4 inches by 5 7/8. And these have the houses on them. So the red and gold is Gryffindor. The yellow and silver is Hufflepuff. Then you've got the 2 blues that are Ravenclaw, and the green and silver, which is Slytherin. They're plain colored on the other side. And those are going to be coming in the kit. Okay, so we'll leave that out. Then the next thing that's going to be coming in the kit is going to be this envelope right here. And inside of this envelope is 3 of these 20th anniversary Scholastic bookmarks, which has original artwork on all of the covers for all 7 of the books. And then on the back, it has a blending of all 7 of the book's artwork into one big scene. Here you got the Patronus, and you've got the Serpent, and you've got Hogwarts on here, and there's Dumbledore. And so just kind of a really nifty collage type scene that you have on these. And then in here is your Ministry of Magic Wizarding Exam Authority, your OWL exams. And that's a full OWL exam. This is questions 1 through 13. So you have all of your questions here. This is printed on linen paper, and it is a single copy, and that comes in the envelope. Then we're going to be, you'll be getting these. Now, these are random. Okay. These are, this is the back, and there are 7 of them in the pack, and what they are is, these are color your own cards. Of course, you can get a corner rounder out, round the corners, that type of thing. So you'll be getting a pack of those. And then you're going to also get a pack of these. And there's 5 cards in this pack. And these are Harry Potter playing cards. And there's the backs of them. Let me see if I can get that out of the glare. There we go. So it's actually a picture of Hogwarts. And then on the other side, you've got items from the movie. These are also at random. Each kit will contain 4 Marauders Map yo-yos. So these are yo-yos made out of the Marauders Map fabric, and you'll get 4 of those in your kit. And then at random, you will get any one of 2 fabrics. The fabrics are 11 inches by 18 inches, so there's plenty to do 2 book covers in here, so you could do it inside and an outside. Let's see, did I miss anything? Well, of course I did. You will also be getting 10 samples, 18 inches of 10 different Harry Potter washi tapes. And here's the picture of those. In addition to all of that, you will receive a download. It's a paper pack. There's 4 printable papers, 7 sets of the proclamations, and 2 pages of additional clip art that goes with this pack. So that is 3 bookmarks, 1 OWL exam, 8 pieces of paper, 1 Marauders map, 1 set of clip art, 2 pieces of fabric, random. These are the choices that are there. They are random. 4 of the yo-yos made from the Marauders map, 5 Harry Potter cards, 7 of the color your own cards. Could this deal get any better? Oh, yeah, there's all that digital paper. So that digital file will be yours to keep. You will have access to it. What else? Oh, yeah, I forgot. There is one other item that comes with this pack. It's a mystery item. I'm not going to show it until the day of the sale. But it makes this pack more than worth it. So that'll be there on the day of the sale. Let's see. So that's it, guys. That's kind of the preview of everything that I've got coming up in the September sale. Remember, that's 4 o'clock Pacific time, Pacific Standard Time, 5, 6, and 7 going across the country. So if you live out on the West Coast, 4 o'clock. If you're in the Mountain Time Zone, 5 o'clock. If you're in the Central Time Zone, 6 o'clock. If you are on the Eastern Coast, 7 o'clock. And for all of those of you around the world, sorry, but you're going to have to figure that one out yourself. We will go until we sell. I'm hoping to be there no more than 3 hours. The first part of the sale will be a sale. The first me will take it. There's only 10 items, I believe, at the end of the sale that are going to be auction items. There are reserves on all of them. So, and they're small, like, you know, bidding starts at $2 or $3 or $5 or something like that. And then, of course, there's the Halloween journal, which is also going to be auctioned. I believe the bidding on that starts at $10, but that's going to be in there as well. So, Harry Potter packs, misters. What else I got? Mulberry papers. I've got lace, trim, ribbon, Autobahn books. And all of them are exactly like that. They're not all damaged. However, they are all with the stickers unattached. Okay? Lots of other good things, and of course, all my giveaways. There have been some changes to the way that I'm going to be doing things as far as the giveaways go. The last auction that I had, I did 9 giveaways, and 7 of the people that won the giveaways lived overseas. So, in order to prevent me having to put out huge amounts of money in shipping, from now on, anybody who is overseas will receive a digital download. It will be at least 5 pages, and it will be a topic of my choice. I will need your full name, your real name, your YouTube handle, an email address, and a mailing address prior to you bidding in the auction. And of course, the rules will be in the detail section below the video. Is there anything that I'm forgetting? Probably. Who knows? Until I see you guys again, thank you for taking an interest, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.